Good afternoon to all the citizens of the Philippines. My name is Joshua Gabriel Singson Mabasa. As you all know, I would like to run for the position of Senator in the Senate. I would like to run for this position in order to be the voice of the people. I will listen not only to those who believe they have importance and superiority in society, but also to all those in the different classes known in our current civilization: the upper class, the middle class, and the lower class. Before I fully begin my speech, I would like to restate the role of each senator and their importance in the House. According to Article 6, Section 110 of the Constitution, after the consideration of matters contained in the calendar for special orders, a senator may forthwith request and avail of the privilege to speak for 1 hour on any matter of the public interest. I'll use this privilege wisely and at the most maximize the time given to speak for all those in need of service from the government. Another role of the senator during the 6 year term is debating and voting on the other matters presented by fellow senators. I will observe proper decorum and debating manners during these meetings. So the question is, why run for senator in the first place? There are many reasons for me to run for this position. The Philippines, being one of the third world countries in Asia, contains a numerous amount of problems ranging from community growth to poverty. One of the major problems I can identify is public service. As a senator, I will be able to address all the problems we face throughout each day. I believe a basis for all good countries starts with a civilized and stable government to lead its country to its peak. It also requires a supportive community and actively participate and take part in improving the issues they face. As mentioned, one of the many problems I will focus on is public service in the Philippines. Public service is meant to benefit both society and the government to make life less complex and difficult. As seen in the Philippines, the number one problem is traffic through places like EDSA, Rojas Boulevard in Pasay, C5, and many more other areas. Areas prone to traffic are usually because of the amount of vehicles being used near intersections and tight spaces. Traffic happens because of the poor conditions in public transportations. Jeepneys, taxis, and even rail transits show poor effectiveness towards quick and usable transportation for the people. One of the most recent incidents is the derailing of the MRT. The major reason for the derailing is because of the way they maintained it. It was originally built during the term of President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo during the mid-90s. Regardless of the fact that rail transit is extremely old, it is unmaintained for a few years. Despite the amount of money needed to repair for the transits, it will benefit the commuters and lessen issues on the road. Aside from public transportation, another problem to be addressed is the unemployment. This issue has been observed to affect both society and the economy. It brings negative effects. Unemployment can bring the economy down. Without a proper working force, people cannot earn money. Thus, the funds for the government to use on public service is limited to small amounts. In a way, this reduces the spending power of the people. As the economy goes down, the taxes go up, and as a result, people are required to pay more. Unemployment may also lead to an increase of crime rate. Since those unemployed have not much of a choice, the only logical thing to do is to earn money in the easiest way possible. The expected outcome would be robberies, kidnappings, and incidents of thievery. This can be seen throughout the years and could be the source of poverty in the Philippines. As you can see, the social and economic issues seem to be linked to each other. If a problem arises, everyone gets affected. The solution for this problem will require long periods of time planning, and long-term effects must be considered, but surely the effects will be positive and will bring the country to prosperity and its finest. The first step in order to fix the unemployment problem is to first start by educating those on which require jobs with a certain knowledge on the occupation. They must be taught properly and should develop proper discipline. This in a way is also linked up to community growth, but my primary focus is employment. The following steps will only be achieved after proper education. There was once a time when the Philippines was progressing nearly as fast as the other countries of the world. It brought prosperity to the land and brought pride to the people. I honestly believe we can do this once more through different changes in the public transportation which will benefit both the world of economics and society in many different ways possible. Unemployment would be a problem with the different plans I have thought over in the past. I'm sorry, it won't be a problem. With my help, I will try to help the Philippines reach even further than in its golden age. This could only be done with both the government and the loyal citizens of the country working in harmony to be better than our current situation. Remember, vote wisely, vote for the good, vote Joshua Mabasa for the position of Senator in the House of Representatives. Thank you.